Good morning.
Morning.
August the 6th, 2009. We have Joe Chastain here going to remove a huge pine at Bent Tree Golf Course in order to make our greens renovation a lot better. Joe, you want to tell us what you're going to do?
All right, the first thing you want to do is figure out where you want the tree to fall. And then you're going to come over here, and this chainsaw has a sight gauge on it. This rib right here. So what you want to do is point it in the direction that you want the tree to fall and cut down in a 45 in that direction, and flip it up and cut in another 45. And that'll give you the direction the tree's going to fall.
All right. All right, Joe, let's do some business. Perfect job, as usual, performed by Joe Chastain. How do you think about that, Joe?
Pretty fun.
Pretty fun.
Yeah,
good job. Now the real work begins. Get us a chipper down here. John and them will start sawing up the limbs, and we'll clean this up.